Welcome to this Granada Houses video. Today we're going to show you this 3-bedroomed house in a small hamlet about 5 minutes from the town of Huerta. The house has all mains, water and electricity, and there's also a well. I'll show you this outside part first. So as we come in through the double gates, we have this really lovely barbecue area. And then just beyond here is a nice storage area. It's a great place for your logs and your washing. There's a long garden here, so the garden starts down the end there and works its way along the Barranco, which is a small stream, and across the way you just have views of Olive Grove. So the nearest town has all amenities that you might need, and it also has things like a cinema that shows films in original language, as well as a heated indoor swimming pool. There's parking at the front of the house, but there's no garage here. As you can see, the windows have security bars, and there are security gates too over the front door. So this is a lock up and leave property. We walk into a large hall, and off this hall there's a nice big storage cupboard. Always handy if you're going to have guests, because this house has a license. You can use it as an Airbnb or advertise on booking.com or anywhere else, of course. Off the hall is the fully fitted kitchen with fireplace. The kitchen has everything that you're going to need. Lots of nice granite workspace, overhead cupboards, lovely high ceilings with wood beams with wood inserts, and this is an open plan space. So at the other end of the room is a pretty dining room that has views of the patio with the swimming pool, and also direct access to the patio and pool. And as we go left into the sitting room, you can see it's a good sized room. That's everything that you might need. And then we go first of all to the ground floor bedroom. Another nice sized room, plain ceilings in this room. And from here is an ensuite bathroom. And as is quite traditional with Spanish houses, the washing machine is here plumbed in to the bathroom. So it's a really good size. This bedroom looks over the front terrace. Very pretty Andalusian style tiles on the staircase risers. At the top of the stairs, there's a small hall to the right. And off here is the family shower room. Yeah, nice high ceilings, so it gives a good sense of space. This is the smallest of the bedrooms. It's got good ceilings, wood beam ceilings, so lots of character. And then across the hall is a larger double room with its own terrace. It's a really pretty room. Lots of light. And then as we go outside to the terrace, weather's really lovely and clear today. So over there is the Sierra Nevada. We're about 1.5 kilometres to the nearest bar. And We're not too far from the motorway, so within about 10 minutes you could be on the motorway and heading down to Malaga to catch your flight to your new home. There's a good sized dining room. As you can see, you could actually seat 8 people quite comfortably in this room. And then we go out into a very, very pretty patio. So as you can see, there's a nice sized swimming pool. Some garden on the left hand side. And then there's more garden down here. If you wanted to have a veggie patch, you could put that in this part. Or if you had dogs, this would be a perfect little safe place for dogs to be. Lots of room for a table. It's a lovely space. And off here is your bonus area, which is a large store area. So this is a super house. It's in a nice quiet area. It's got views basically of olive trees or the Sierra Nevada. It's easy and quick to get to other places if you want to do your shopping or go to a bar or a restaurant. It has a license so that if you want to run a business, you can do that very easily. It's lock up and leave. So there's many, many benefits to this really attractive house. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Leave comments and suggestions in the section below. And also please request your viewing in the section below too. We look forward to showing you your new home in Andalusia. Thank you for watching.